Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable smooth transitions in Telegram so your app feels faster, cleaner, and much more enjoyable to use. If you've ever noticed slightly choppy or instant screen changes while navigating Telegram, this setting is exactly what you need. Turning on smooth transitions adds subtle animations that make everything feel more fluid and modern. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. It looks like three horizontal lines. This will open up the main navigation panel. From here, tap on Settings. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your Telegram experience. Once you're inside Settings, look for Chat Settings and tap on it. This section controls how your chats look and behave. Now scroll down until you find the option called Animations. Go ahead and tap on it. Inside the animation section, you'll see a toggle labeled Enable Smooth Transitions. Simply turn this option on. That's it. Smooth transitions are now enabled. You should immediately notice that moving between chats, opening conversations, and navigating through the app feels more seamless and visually appealing. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in your overall experience. If you prefer a more dynamic and polished interface, this setting is definitely worth keeping on. And if you ever want to switch back, you can follow the same steps and turn it off anytime. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of Telegram.